Hi guys, my name is Greg and welcome to my channel. It was the night after Christmas when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings are empty from presents already. I look for tomorrow, cause next dive is ready. We packed our gear and we went to flooded mine, this time Koparki, Jaworzno, Poland. Water temperature around 5 degrees, so I need to dress up. Last check on the platform on 5 meters. Everything okay? Swimming order assigned, and we are ready to go. Our first stop, flooded military lorry. Star 742 Lima. As you can see, the condition is almost ideal. Unfortunately, the keys are missing, so further trip still swimming. Next stop, Shipwreck Wilhelm. This shipwreck was sunk in 2015. It's a perfect addition to this diving site. Our air capacity is limited and we need to move forward. Stop number 3, mining excavator. For me, it's first time to see such big machines underwater. If you are asking yourself how deep it is, it's up to 18 meters. So if you have open water diver certificate and you don't know where to go in Middle Europe, you have the place. Oh, someone is lost. It seems that they sit in here for a longer period of time. It's time for excavator number 2. The depth in here is around 12 meters. The feeling is amazing. Next we have approached safe house. Remember that it's flooded mine. The mine was working till 1997, but due to financial problems the power was cut and the mine was flooded like in 14 hours. I believe it is the most known diving site in Poland. There is a lot of diving schools that are conducting their trainings in here. It's end of the year. We are almost in the end of our dive. However, as always, European perch is around. They were quite massive and watched us during our safety stop. Unfortunately, it's time to get out from water. It was really good day and good company. As always, guys, thanks for watching and keep diving. Greg's out.
Jest git, będzie dobrze.